Okay, this one will be pretty quick. I hope, beyond hope, that you understand this concept. This is the periodic table. Just make sure you remember metals. They're all right here. The majority of the periodic table are metals. The nonmetals live over here. A small fraction of them, of the periodic table, are nonmetals. And then there's the metalloids right on the staircase, and even a smaller percentage of the periodic table are metalloids. All right, now, this right here, hopefully you can read this. It says, same group or family equals same chemical properties. So what the periodic table will do once in a while, it'll give you like weird shapes, like a star, and a moon, and like a ladder, or something like that. And it's probably different. This is an old style question, but it's good enough. It will ask you which two symbols are most likely to have the same properties on the periodic table. And it will try and trick you also, I should say. So we'll put like a, I don't know, what do we have left? A telephone pole. I don't know, that just looks stupid. But whatever that might be in Chinese, it'll put a symbol there. It's trying to trick you. It's trying to get you to say these two are similar, which is not actually 100% true. What is similar are the things that are in the same vertical column. And remember, they are similar because the columns are organized by valence electrons. And valence electrons are what can determine the chemical properties of the substance. So everything in this group, since it's in family 2, will lose 2 electrons, and that process will cause it to gain with something over here in a ratio to work out the same every single time. Family 1 only loses 1, different properties. Okay, now, the last little nugget of information is probably hard to see. It's up here. All year long, we've had Roman numeral 1, 2, and then we went to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The core test periodic table they're going to use counts this here as 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. They count the transition metals as families, which I dislike strongly, but they do. So make sure you are okay with, and it's like the one in my room, honestly, the fact that family 3 and family 13 mean the same thing. And family 4 and family 14 mean the same thing. The reason I like our way and not their way is because those Roman numerals tell me how many valence electrons are in each, not the numbers. In family 3, there are 3 valence electrons, not 13. Anyway, be careful. One of the core test questions that used to be, it was like number 3 or 4 of the whole test. It used to say, how many valence electrons does carbon have? So carbon would be right here. And kids know that carbon is 12 and 6, and a ton of kids would put 6 as the answer, which is wrong because it asks for valence electrons. Valence electrons equal family number. Okay? You just look at what column it's in, and that's how many valence electrons it has. And unless it's one of these and they have a 14, then just subtract 10, and it's 4. Okay, I'm hoping that works out pretty good.